Next, we need to customize, we need to add the extension for customer master form. So use for this, the forms and user interface related things are objects are under the node user interface. So under this user interface, you go to forms. Under this forms, you can see cust table. You can see cust table. This is the customer master form table, customer master form name. So you can see cust table. This will become as last thing, cust trans cust table. See, you can see cust table. This is the form name, customer master form. So right click on this. Right click on this. Add a create extension. So once you click on this create extension, see, you can see the one form is added to our project. So form under the form extension folder. So right click on this, open this form. Just click on yes, no problem. See, here you can see one window is open. This is the editing part, this customization section of the this customer master form. So once you select this custable node, it will open this design part here. Here we have action pen header, navigation list. So we are adding one remarks in the tab. So right click on this tab node. Then under this tab page grid, see, click on this tab page details. Then select a tab header. See, you can see these are the tabs related to tab customer master form. So right click on this tab header, new tab page. So you can once if a new form tab page control is added, you can change the name to customer remarks. Change the caption to remarks. Then under this customer remarks tab, you need to add one group. See, you can see the group control here. So once you selected this group, it will add one form group to our under this tab. Once you added this group, you need to add the field, the description field. So for this, you need to select the type string. You can see string type here. Actually, this is a field, this is a text area. There we can enter the remarks of the customer. So here we need to bind with the binding here, the binding the database table binding come to this in this section. So right click on this. See, you can see, if you want to, you can change the customer remarks. Here you can bind the data source. Here the data source is or cust table. The data field is data field is cust customer remarks. See, so you can select this. In the text property, you can type property remarks. Okay, so this is the thing. Then once you've done all these things, you click on select it and select it build. We can wait for the process to be completed. See, you can see build is completed. So our customization part is over.